So every job here at Pacific Collision Center has its own cart to safely organize and protect everything that comes off your vehicle. And George, our parts coordinator here, his job is to mirror match every single new incoming part to the old part that came off of your car. This greatly reduces delays for the technicians once the car is in their hands and they're working on getting it put back together or to align something or make adjustments. So that way there's no surprises, there's no questions. We have the right part for the right job at the right time.